How to make no one can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and go down, click settings and go down. Here you will find apps and websites. Click on it, and here we'll find old versions of Facebook for mobile. Click on it and just select only me, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.